Energizer
off
Bunny.
the wall. Exactly, like what's happening? So welcome on in. We've only got 20 more minutes, but this is customer top rated, and I'm just going to turn it over to you because what is this? And then we'll go through colors, but it's different and perfect, and everyone needs one.
Yeah, this is a 3-piece drying system. I always say these are the necessary evils in your house. And have you looked at how expensive paper towels are these days? These are microfiber, which means you're going to be able to reuse these time and time again. They're super thirsty. They're 15 by 25. What does that mean? I can easily fold them, tuck them over my stovetop if I wanted to, the handle there on your stove, or also by your microwave. And then we also include that oversized extra large drying mat. What I love about the drying mat is it's super absorbent, but notice also it's also cushioned. So your drinkware, your glass, your cut crystal, things that you want to go ahead and protect, you're going to easily be able to do that because again, it's going to not only protect your countertop, it's going to protect all your drinkware. It's scored so you can go ahead and tuck it away, or you of course can leave it out when you're drying.
When you fold that out again, just for a second, or unfold it, I
Yeah.
also want you to know size, scale, scope, my friends. 26, it's over 2 feet.
It's huge.
So it's over 2 feet when we talk about, you know, how wide it is. And then here it's 18 inches, so it's a 1.5 feet, or yeah, 18 inches, a 1.5 feet. So you've got all that real estate that you actually are gonna use for drying. And that these towels are
great.
huge as well.
They're the best.
These are 25, so over 2 feet by 15 when it comes here. So that's a lot. I mean, oftentimes microfiber towels might be 10 by 10, 12 by 12, something like that. So we'll go through colors. This is the pink carved willow.
This is the rose in the carved willow.
rose.
This is the first time you're seeing that today.
Nice.
And then the mint. Like, look how fun for spring. If you're like me and you like to change out your towels for the season, these are your spring options for sure.
Okay, perfect.
As well as confetti, which is going to mix and match all of your colors, piped in that beautiful purple. Then here's your black. So if you have kind of that stainless steel kitchen or a little bit more modern, that'll be perfect. And then your everyday green, which I love.
K904188 is your item number. I mean, what are you using now? That's the question. Like, what's on the side of your sink? Is it just a towel?
Sure.
Is it that gets ratty and regular and not that great, right?
And this is what I want to show you. So we have well over a cup of water in here. Here's when we talk about our microfiber towels and why they're so different. I'm able to go ahead and put this, just the one towel, right inside, well over a cup of water. And what's left inside? Nothing. It is completely absorbed into the towel. Wow. So when you talk about cleaning without chemicals, cleaning with water, that's what we love about microfiber. Not using paper towels that cost a fortune, that again, we're just throwing away. Reusable, put them right in your washing machine, just tumble dry low, no fabric softener.
I mean, and we're all looking for ways, like what's a smart way that I can save a little money? And you know, think about how much you spend on paper products, paper towels, paper napkins, all those things. Maybe getting new sponges every 2 weeks or whatever. Here's something where, again, you're gonna use it all the time and then you just machine wash. Do I tumble dry it?
Yeah, tumble dry low, no fabric softener.
Super easy.
You know what else I do with these? I put it under my Keurig when I have a coffee station. So if everybody's helping themselves, they're not spilling. I put my KitchenAid stand mixer on top because I'm able to move it around my countertop when I'm baking. So also think about using it as a way to ground some of your appliances. But again, at the end of the day, your drinkware, your glassware, the necessary evils that we have to go ahead and dry, this, just like our towels, is super thirsty, so it'll absorb all of that.
I also feel like, again, with that stemware that you aren't putting in the dishwasher, it's perfect for that. And like if you're just putting out paper towels, which I did for the longest time, and then I'm putting these stemware on, not great.
Can I wow you with one more thing?
Yes, please do.
Here's the other way that I design these, so that I can take my baking pieces out, right, at 500 degrees. This is actually that baker coming up, the 11 by 7. And now if I wanted to use this as a runner down the center of my table, or maybe I was having a buffet, I can ground everything, I can protect my countertops, and it's nice and protected.
So this isn't, even though this would be super hot, it's not gonna like burn through it or anything like that. Okay, that's cool as all get out.
Right?
Customer top rated, 3 pieces, 3 easy payments of $6.67. I'm sorry, Mike, are we ordering rose or pink in the carved willow? And the mint and this is what you love, but then to order, is that pink? I had pink on my card. So
do you?
It's called, you were right, it's rose, because you made it, you created it.
Right.
Sometimes our names
we
are
call
weird.
different things.
Yeah.
I just roll with it.
I love you. So here's the rose, here's the mint. Both of you all of you are loving both of those.
They're great.
700 now in the mint. I feel like great gift idea for a housewarming.
Yes.
Right? Great for kids who are in college, where they only have a little place that they're putting their food and their little dry goods and their cookies and their popcorn, which would be great for them, but also everybody spills. And then this one is our confetti.
That's our confetti, right? It's gonna have all of your great spring colors $900 there as well.
900.
Black, if you kind of like love that whole stainless steel look.
800.
And then the green, which you can never go wrong all season long.
Fewer than 1,000. Try something customer top rated from Temp-tations and the system that really is to help you save money, but also to beautify and to protect the dishes that you have. K90418. Not enough time to present, but we wanted to let you know that this was popular. This clearance price is rocking.